Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys, whew, I'm all ready. Just finished doing my hair and my eyebrows because you guys know that I am not feeling makeup these days, so no foundation, nothing on the face, just the eyebrows and under my eye, that's it. And some lip gloss. Boom, done. You guys, it is Saturday morning and baby's back home. Baby's home. Tyler is there on his tablet chilling because we are all ready and heading out. We have some things to do today. We have supermarket to go to. We have furniture store to go to. I need to find my dining room table. Still haven't found any dining room table because I have a specific one in my head and I need to find it, and I won't buy any until I find the one that I want. So we need to go to the furniture store. I need to go to different supermarkets to find different things that I want. Baby's here setting the laundry before we go. Honey, welcome back. Say hi.
Hi guys.
He's setting the laundry, you guys. So the laundry can be well on its way by the time we out and about. Yeah, so that's what's up today. Hopefully you guys are having a good weekend. By the time you guys see this, the weekend would have passed. Hopefully you guys had a good weekend. So we are heading out, and of course we'll take you guys along as much as possible today. So of course I'm gonna show you outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. There is baby girl or boy bumping with mama. Oh, so outfit of the day. I have on my mom jeans because of course none of my jeans can fit, so I had to go and get these at H&M. And when I bought these, I couldn't take you guys along because you guys didn't know that I was pregnant at the moment.
So it's a one piece. It's a one piece between the jean and this black thing.
Yeah, this come up on it. So these jeans are still my size jeans, but the waist is different. So I'm wearing these, and I'm wearing one of my favorite winter top. It's a little turkey neck thin. I have these black boots on, and that's basically outfit of the day. Nothing too fancy dandy. And my hair, I washed my hair 2 days ago, so it's just a little twist out going on with all this shrinkage. So yeah, I'm ready. And there's babe, simply cute. Where you going? I'm showing them your outfit of the day. Babe and Tyler kind of match today in this sweater looking top. Black pants, black shoes. And Tyler is in his sweater top, black pants and army green shoes. Tyler, Ty, say morning faves. Where we going? Ready? Let's go. Let's go, Pumpkin. Turn off the tablet and let's go. Bye. You having croissant? It's yummy? Yeah. We can know black people, black people for the same place, the same thing. You can't close the back when you're struggling. At the black people section, everybody else section. You can know where we come from. Hide. Okay, let me grab. Hey guys, we are at stop number 2. Another supermarket. You know, sometimes you have some store that you get specific things, and some store you just can't get some things. So today is just one of those days where I have to make 3 supermarket stop. So we're in fruit and veggie supermarket. Now we're going to another supermarket where I get pancakes that I like. So I'm gonna go there. Yes, Tyler? Yes, that's where we're going. We're going in there. Okay? We're going to buy a pancake. Maybe. Look, I'm catching you up. Hey, hello. I caught you. I caught you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I see you. I got you. Stop, you're gonna fall. Stop. Wait for me. Yeah. You like when I missed? Come on, let's go. So I'm in the supermarket and I find some really nice fish this week. This one over here. That's the one I take this week. Yes. And I take salmon because Tyler loves salmon. And I take rib, yeah, and chicken. Yes? What? What is it? That's fish. It's a fish. It's an orange fish. He's looking at it. He's gonna bite you. Ooh. He's gonna bite you. Stop shouting. No shouting. You don't shout like that. Give me a kiss. I love you. Hmm? Why what? Because he's preparing the fish.
Mama?
Yeah.
What's that?
That's shrimp. And what's this one? That's snail.
What's
Escargot. That's more shrimp. That is different type of shrimp. How much is it for? Ayo! Ayo! Tyler! Tyler! You guys were at Burger King. Make a Burger King stop. It's lunchtime. We're hungry. Tyler is in the playground playing. Ding! Good job! Come, Ty, come! I see your foot. Ooh, good job. Go, 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 go. Go. Go, go in. Get in, get in. Come, Ty, come. I'm waiting for you. I see your foot. Oh.
This is for the first one for you. This is chicken burger for me.
Babe. Ty.
Chicken nuggets.
Okay.
Ça c'est pour des chicken nuggets et ça c'est pour du
Hi guys, so yeah, it's the end of the day. We home. We went to the furniture store today, and our mission was to get a table, like a diner table, and I don't know how to call that. Like a little, not TV stand, like a oh, I hear baby cock. A center table. So we only success to the second one. We got a center table, so it's here. I'm gonna have to put it on. I just see a little oops. I just see a little pictures here. Let's see in the opposite side if we have any idea of no. No, it's not showing. So yeah, I'm gonna try to fix it soon. So it's make it here pretty. When we come back, babe started to not feeling well. Her head is not feeling good, so it's gonna be okay. It's not like something to worry, but in the moment it's something very bad. So yeah, Tyler is in his room to play. It's after 10. I'm watching basketball on TV, but because he's quiet playing in his room, I'm not going to force him to go to bed now. I just make him play, so tomorrow he wake up late. That's the trick. I'm afraid if I put him to bed now, he will wake up early tomorrow. So let's try to give him some more time, make him go to bed late, and tomorrow it will be tired and make me sleep. So yeah. Oops. Oops. Well, it's wood. There's no glass, so should be fine. All right, maybe that's a warning. I should put it on now. All right, guys. Have a good night, and I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. It wasn't much, but yeah. Have a good day. Enjoy today's vlog. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so this is the final product. Pretty.